Hi, my name's Nina, and I produce music as Nina Girachi. I'm at my family home on the Central Coast, and I've got 10 minutes to work on a track that was sent to me by Sam Saker. This is Around the World.
This one was started by Sam Saker. He made it in 10 minutes. I haven't heard it yet or seen what he's done to it, so I've just opened this up for the first time. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to have a listen to it, and then I'm just going to try and do some work on it real quick and see what we can get done. So we'll have a listen, first of all. Cool, so it's kind of like a nice little intro and some other bits there. I'm going to set my timer and get started. Cool. I'm going to unfold these. I might start by building out like a structure. I'm going to turn the loop off. So I'm going to extend that out a bunch. I don't know if that's too long, maybe. Cool. And flesh that out later. And then it goes into this bit here. I might want that section to go one more, so it just kind of evens out. And then there's this little breakdown. And then I kind of want this section to be like another even little thing. And that can go out for that length. So I'm just going to set some markers up here. Intro. This can be like a verse, I guess. And then here there's like a tiny little break. And then there's this can be like a little build section, I guess. And then after this, I feel like I want to make like a darker dancey section, so I'm just going to call it dark. And I'll put that together later. So I've got the intro here. So this synth is cool. What I might do, I'm gonna unfreeze that because it's just got an EQ on it. I might actually, I don't want to touch Sam's EQ. I'm gonna put another one on there and just filter the bass out of that and slightly reverb it just a little bit. And then because I want to add like my own little bass thing underneath, but I don't want to mess with what Sam's got going on here. I'm going to do it in wavetable. So I got to figure out what note this is. Cool. I'm going to solid those together. Sounds like it could be a G. Yeah, that sounds about right. So I'll loop that out a bunch. I'll change the notes later. And then maybe down here you can go down to F. Something like that. And then here you go. guess. I don't know if this will be that good. I'm just going to leave it in there for now. And just start making the bass patch, so at least I've contributed a little bit more. Drop it down to there. Mono that. Give it some. Gonna make like a respace sound. Maybe. I don't think I like this last note here. Might make it just go back to F, maybe? So this one can go back up here. I don't know. Yeah, that sounds a bit better. Maybe this one. Could just go down there or something like that. Add like a little LFO so things are moving around a little bit more. Just add like a tiny bit of like reverb. And then like a bass mono just before. Nice. Cool, that sounds pretty tight. I might actually just let that kind of come in on its own there for a sec. Might be cool to have like a long epic intro, so I might even just double that out, and then the bass could come in like here. It could be like a really nice long progressive track, and then underneath I'm just gonna add some like, let's see what ambient sounds I'll have. Like, I don't know, such like beach or like children yelling and shit. Often sounds kind of cool. Beach children play. Sick. That's nice. And then I'll just fix it up a little bit. And get some like delay, I guess. Some cool chords. Wonder what the bass sounds like going under those. I don't think it really fits. I think this might just have to be like its whole other section. Like maybe this can even go out further. I'm just gonna add like a little melody over the top of it, maybe. I'll turn this into some chords. See how we go. I don't know what key we're working in, so I'm just gonna do this by ear. This has to be a G minor. Just about. Sounds like an F major. Cool. Whoops. A minor. I hope these are right. Let's zoom out a little bit. Cool. Whoops. Cool. That can go out to here as well. That one can go out to here. Whoops. Where'd that? Did that go for that? Yeah, cool. This can go here, down an octave, is that right? Yeah, cool. There's that one. And then I might make this into like an arpeggio situation. Yeah, that sounds about right. Cool. I'm just gonna put the arpeggiator effect on here. And then I will make the patch a little bit nicer. It's very dramatic, and I'm kind of into it. Make this like fade in as well, maybe something like that. Reverb. Whoa, I've gone way over the time. Okay, I'm just going to stop this there. Sick. Enjoy, whoever the next person is.
Thanks for watching. The sprint continues in the next video, but if you'd like to have a go yourself, there's a download link in the description. Open it up, set a 10-minute timer, and develop the idea as much as you can in those 10 minutes. Don't worry about making the best track ever. Instead, just focus on making meaningful improvements. If you want to pass this on to a friend, give them the same rules, but also you can just watch the next episode and see what the next producer does with it from here.